Hi friends. I am Scissor from PS Tutelar. Today we will fix color grading. An image which is out of color cast. We will fix it with one layer. Yes, one layer of hue and saturation. It looks like that. So how we will do it? Let's get started. Open image you want to fix. Create hue and saturation layer. This layer is above our image. Check colorize box. And here magic goes by Photoshop. Change blend mode from normal to soft light. You can adjust hue accordingly. And increase or decrease saturation as well. Here is image before and after. Let's try to change blend mode to overlay. Its look image is more saturated. It is your choice which blend mode suits for your image. It is overlay or soft light. Change both blend modes. And look which one suits to your image. I hope you like this useful fast technique. If you like then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.